The Monkey and the Turtle, a tale from Kalila and Dimna. Once upon a time, in a big jungle near a wide river, lived a clever monkey. He loved to jump and swing on the tall trees. In the river lived a friendly turtle. He swam slowly and loved to rest on warm rocks. One day the turtle saw the monkey and said, "Hello, let's be friends and talk every day." The monkey laughed and said, "Sure, you bring stories, I'll bring fruit." Every day they laughed, shared stories, and ate delicious fruits. So they became best friends. One day the turtle said, "Come with me to my home down the river. My wife is waiting there. She can't wait to meet you." The monkey said, "Okay," and jumped onto the turtle's back. Together they swam into the deep river. But the turtle was sad inside. He whispered, "Sorry, dear friend, my wife is sick. She needs a monkey's heart to get better." The monkey was very wise, so he stayed calm and said, "Oh no, I left my heart in a tree. Let's go back and get it." The turtle was swimming back to the land with the monkey still on his back. When they reached the riverbank, the monkey was high up in a tree, laughing and giggling. The poor turtle looked so embarrassed. The turtle learned a lesson that day. True friendship is not for tricks, and the monkey stayed safe and smart. Moral of the story. The story of Monkey and the Turtle teaches us that the true friendship should never be based on lies or tricks. The turtle tried to trick the monkey, but the monkey used his wisdom and stayed calm. This shows children that being smart, patient, and honest is always better than being selfish or greedy. This fun story is based on very old Persian tale from Kalila and Dimna. Masjid M lovingly retold it for young readers and used special art tools to bring the characters to life.